Hi friends, today I am going to show you the recipe for preparing the Mangalorean breakfast kapparutti in 3 different flavors, that is simple, spicy and sweet. First let's prepare kapparutti. For that I am cleaning 2 glasses of dosa rice and soaking it for 5 hours. After 5 hours I am preparing a paste with the rice, 1 cup of grated coconut, half cup of cooked rice, 1.5 teaspoon of salt and little water. To the batter I am adding 1 glass of water and mixing it well. The batter should not be thin, it should be thick like this. I am heating the clay tawa. Once hot, brushing little oil. If you feel oil is little much, then you can wipe it off using a clean cloth. Now I am pouring a ladle full of batter. Cover it and let it cook. It takes about a minute of time. The kapparutti is cooked now. Let's remove this. Before pouring the batter for the second time, let's clean the tawa with a nice clean wet cloth. I have kept the flame in between medium and high. If you feel like the kapparutti is sticking to the pan and not coming up, then you can smear a little bit of oil into the pan. Otherwise, just cleaning with the wet cloth before every pour is enough. The first among the 3 flavors, simple kapparutti, is ready. You can enjoy this with chutney or any kind of curry. To prepare the spicy kapparutti, first I have cut the kapparutti into small pieces. For the masala, I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut, 5 to 6 red chili based on spice preference, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, quarter teaspoon of jeera seeds, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, little water and prepared a fine paste. In a pan, I am heating 1 teaspoon of oil and few mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start sputtering, I have added 1 finely chopped onion and few curry leaves. Once the onion is fried, I am adding the masala, 2 glasses of water, half teaspoon of salt and a small piece of jaggery. The masala has come to a boil. Now we can check the salt and adjust if required. I am adding the cut kapparutti pieces, mixing it and cooking it until the mixture thickens. This can take about 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between. The masala has thickened now. The spicy kapparutti or arepuda kapparutti is ready. To prepare the sweet kapparutti, I have cut kapparutti into small pieces. To 1 grated coconut, I am adding 2 glasses of water, grinding it and extracting the thick coconut milk. I have kept the thick coconut milk aside and repeated the same with the squeezed coconut remains by adding water, grinding and extracting the thin coconut milk. Now I am boiling the thick coconut milk with 1.5 cup of jaggery and quarter teaspoon of salt. If the quantity of milk seems to be less, then you can add the thin coconut milk to this as much as needed. I am adding about half glass of thin coconut milk. The milk has come to a boil. To this I am adding the cut kapparutti pieces. The salt and jaggery can be checked and adjusted at this point. Let's boil this until the mixture thickens and keep stirring in between. The mixture has thickened now. The sweet kapparutti is ready. Try the Mangalorean style kapparutti in 3 different flavors and let us know in the comment section. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the Home Kitchen. Bye!